Hi guys, well, it's that time to draw the Clan Swazi birthday pack. So we've got the Kafaru pack crammed with all of those goodies that we had on the last video. All you had to do was guess what was the retail value, including the pack, of all of this gear. And a little bit of a drum roll. That's how much it came to. Now listen, no one actually got it 100% bang smack on, but one person was within 1 cent, and that was Wayne Williams of Masterton. Awesome, Wayno. Hey look, we'll be in touch. We'll be getting your size for the garments, what caliber you need from the Hornady ammunition. And thanks everyone for taking part. It's been a marvelous competition. We had just over 6,000 entries, and I think that was awesome. Thank you for helping us celebrate our birthday.